Excited to simplify the complex world of expense policies? You've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step through the process of adding, editing, and deleting expense policies in Zoho Expense, making your life easier.
Expense policies define the rules and limits that apply when any expenses incur on the behalf of the company and submitted in Zoho Expense. Navigate to Admin View, Settings, Policies, and find that a default policy have already been automatically created. It is enabled for all users in your organization, but with no limits or rules. You can configure policy settings, limits, rules, which will be automatically applicable to all the expenses created by your employees. It might happen that expense policy may vary across the organization. For example, different limits are applied depending on a department. The solution here is to create a long-standing policy. Just click on Add New Policy button. Enter policy name, description, select Policy Admins. Uncheck the box if you do not want uncategorized expenses to be a part of expense reports. If you upload a travel policy, it will be displayed on the employee's dashboard. Toggle the button to configure a surcharge percentage on foreign currency expenses. Select Process an Account. Once you click Save and Continue, a new policy will be created, which you can leave as it is or proceed setting up categories, limits, mileage, per diem, rules. To edit a policy, click on its name or on the More icon and select Edit option. You can also clone or delete the policy from here.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Have questions or ideas? We're here to chat at nowo@customerization.ca.